Right back for coverage from the Auto Expo 2025. This concept here is called the TVS Night Fury. It's a racing scooter. Explains the slick tires up front and at the back. Fully carbon fiber, shell, body, whatever you want to call it. And not I think, but if you can see, the scooter has winglets for downforce. It's fully electric, so the battery pack sits here somewhere, I believe, and you get quite a big screen along with a lot of buttons for various things. Also has cruise control. However, the most interesting part about this, it gets its own drone which can fly, follow you, and then you can see what it's capturing on the screen out here. Besides that, it also has adjustable suspension at the rear, which is offset, and a camera at the rear, along with a camera up front too somewhere. So we'll try and see where that sits. Here it is. And you get adaptive beam, what it says for the headlight. Don't really know what that is, but up front there's conventional forks, and they say this is what things may look like in the future. But quite a neat looking thing, very sporty for a scooter. Should do a lot of things which a motorcycle does, perhaps. Not really sure. But I do really like that drone feature it has. And I guess if they bring out something like this on an adventure motorcycle, that thing might just fly off the shelves. Anyways, let us know what do you think of this concept, and if you like it, do share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like the video. We'll come back to you with more updates. Until then, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.